Hey everybody, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. And today we are going to show you how to properly shut your big green egg down after you're done cooking. That's right, we're going to show you how to close everything, get it all set, prepped for putting the cover on there, getting everything protected and properly stored to get you ready for your next cook. So let's dig in here and we'll show you the process, show you the steps to make you that backyard expert as well. Okay, step number one for shutting down your big green egg is to close the dome. Make sure that that is properly seated and closed, ready to go. Okay, step number two now is going to be to close the regulator top, just like that. Make sure it's 100% closed, not allowing any air to escape. Step number three is going to be to close the bottom dampener like that, making sure it's 100% closed and not allowing any air in. That's right, no air in, no air out, no more fire. So now that we have the bottom dampener and the top regulator closed, our ultimate goal is to get this 100% cooled. No more fire, no more heat, and nice and cool to the touch. The big green egg is 100% cooled down. One of my chef's tips is, before I put the cover on, I like to give the egg an opportunity to breathe. That's gonna help keep your charcoal actually a lot fresher and evacuate any moisture or flavor or smell that may remain in there from your cook. So first thing we're gonna do is adjust the bottom dampener and leave it just open a little bit. And then we'll go ahead and adjust the top, leaving that open a little bit. And then it's time to grab your cover and get your egg covered up and get it ready for your next cook. I like to make sure this is down below the hinge. I like to make sure it's down below the handle, and we'll get both sides covered up like that. All right, and we are set. Now, the cool thing is it's gonna give this a chance to breathe. We've got a little vent up here as well, and my handle is protected from the sun. My egg is protected from the elements. We are good to go. Cool down and ready for storage for my next cooking adventure. All right, there you have it. The egg cooled down nicely. It is cool to the touch. We've got the cover on there, and now we properly shut it down and stored it and got it all prepped and ready to go for our next cook. Now, stay tuned because coming up, we have a cleaning video coming up. We're gonna show you how to clean the big green egg and get you ready for more flavorful adventures ahead. That video coming up next.